off my braces.
Wait, what?
Because I have been wearing them for 6 weeks now, and the longer that you can wear braces. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna cut off my braids. The longer that you can wear braids for is 8 weeks, yeah, and I have been wearing them for like 6 weeks now. So as you can see, this is my growth, my hair growth for like 6 weeks. Let me show you, and I feel like it has grown a lot, so it's time to get rid of them and find a new protective style. The first thing that I'm gonna do is to cut them off, because we can't simply open them up from the ends as I burn them, to ensure that they don't open up. And so far my hair is up to here, so I won't cut it very near to where my hair ends. I'm gonna come a little bit down just to make sure that I'm not cutting parts of my own hair. So we have here a scissor, just to get the job done really quick, and I take small sections of the hair with braids and I come down somewhere here. I'm pretty sure my hair is not that long, so somewhere here, and we just cut them off. This is gonna allow the hair to start opening up from the ends, and it will facilitate when we want to remove the braids. If you think that you cut a little bit too far from where your hair ends, you can go ahead and cut them again. It kind of feels weird because it looks like I'm cutting my own hair, which is not what's happening. And once you are done cutting in one section, you can go ahead and move to the next section. This entire process is really simple, and the hectic part is when you start opening up the braids with your fingers. That takes a lot of time and it's kind of stressful. I really like these braids. It took me almost 5 hours to get them done, and now they're kind of going away in a matter of minutes, which is really not fair, but it's time. Guys, I feel like this is really cute. I'm tempted to leave them like this, but it's been 6 weeks and the growth is pretty much, so I wouldn't want to risk it. Let's take them off. Now it's time to open up the braids. I first start from the left side and then move to the right side. And when I am opening up the braids, I have to be very careful not to pull the hair out, because right now the hair is very fragile. It's been tied up for a very long time, and anything that you do wrong might end up breaking it. The night before I remove my braids, I usually apply my coconut, curry leaves, and onion oil to make sure that my hair is soft, smooth, and easy to detangle in the next day. This is a homemade oil which I have been using since I cut my hair. And if you want to know how to make it, stay tuned to my channel. If you are new over here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Do not forget to share, like, and comment down below. We want to be careful when we reach at the top, because the intention is not to pull out the braids along with the hair, and so we should be as gentle as possible. and separate the braids from the hair very carefully. So you guys can see that this is my hair length and this is where I cut my hair, which means that it's very close. We have to be very careful when we are cutting out the braids, not to cut off our own hair. By the way, if you are interested in tech, which I think everyone is today, check out my friend's channel, Fixed by Shaq, an amazing channel where you can find the best tech tips, fixes, unboxes, and reviews. Trust me, his channel is amazing. If you want to know more about it, check out in the description box below. Go ahead and subscribe to his channel, like, comment, share his videos with your friends, and show us some love. Hey guys, this is how I look after taking off my braids. It took me 4 hours. It actually took me 4 hours to do the whole process, and now I simply have to apply my carrot juice for hair growth. If you want, you can apply aloe vera juice or anything that you prefer. And I'm gonna leave it overnight and wash my hair tomorrow. Let me just take a moment to show you my hair. It's pretty dirty right now and it's quite long, really. It has grown quite a lot. This is how long it is, and if I take it from the back, we can see that it's actually up to here. So yes guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see how I apply my carrot juice for hair growth, you can just check at the top right corner. And yes, thanks, and hope to see you on my next video. Love you.